Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to download all files on Google Drive. So, easy and simple way guys to download all files on Google Drive. So, click on this many dots, account. Now here click on data and privacy. Now scroll down underneath data from apps and services that you use. Click on download your data. Make a copy of your data. Now here guys, firstly deselect all. Now here select Google Drive. You have the settings like advanced settings. You can include named, published and upload versions. Also guys, you can include additional info for files and folders. There are multiple formats. You can select your desired formats like in documents, PDF or doc, in drawing, JPG or PDF. Similarly, you have the option, you can select a file format from here. And after that, scroll down, click on next step. Here you can select send download link via email. Also you can add to Drive, add to Dropbox, OneDrive or to Box. You can select file type and size like zip. You can select file size 1 up to 50 GB. Then just click on create export. Zip files can be opened on almost every computer. Export larger than this size will be split into multiple files. Like you can make a folder for 2 GB, 4 GB or 10 GB. Then click on create export. Here you will see the export process. Google is creating a copy of files from Drive. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So wait, and once this complete, you will get the email. You can download your own Google Drive files. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. This is the advanced method to download in just one click all your Google Drive files. So like this you need useful videos, so subscribe my channel.